Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic, and I have been since 2016. I am completely obsessed. I love all things stickers and organizational. I'm super type A, so I have an Instagram where you can find me Simply Megan Plans, or here on YouTube. I am slowly getting back into posting more and more. I had a baby in the summer of 2023, so I'm just getting back into the swing of things of uploading and things like that. But I have continued to keep up with my planner even since having her. So I'm never going to stop. I absolutely love planning. But anyways, enough of that. This week is the week of September 18th. I am inserting a horizontal layout from a week in April in an old planner that I never used. And I chose this week in April because the dates, like the numbers, were exactly for this week as well, starting on the 18th and going to the 24th. So it just worked out that way. I chose that one, and all I have to do is just put a sticker that says September over the word April, and then I'm good to go. So I'm using a mixture of these 3 sticker books, all the fall sections, and they all have like the deep red, the browns, the oranges, stuff like that. And I'm just going to start decorating all around. Because I don't use the horizontal layout hardly at all, I really need to like rethink how I'm laying out these stickers, because the format is just completely different than the vertical. So it's fun. It's also tricky. It takes more time. I have to think differently, so on and so forth. So I actually ended up cutting out a lot of the time in this video where I was just flipping and flipping through. But eventually I got the hang of it, and I came up with the idea to take this clear sheet of plastic and have that as like my backup of the stickers that I know that I want to use in this layout, but I don't know where I want to put them yet. So that just is going to help me be able to plan after the fact. So that's normally what I do anyways, because I like to use my planner as more of like a memory keepsake. I go back in after the day is over, and I almost always fill it right in immediately. So having the stickers already picked out of what I want to use, but not necessarily a place for it yet, that seems to work out for me. So that piece of plastic will do just perfectly. So once I put the majority of them down, then as the days were getting closer to this new week, then I went in and put down some of the stickers when I had a more clear idea of what was going to be going on this particular week, if that makes any sense. So when I see the open spots, I know, if I have a particularly busy day, then I know maybe I should leave this spot open, so on and so forth. So hopefully that kind of makes sense to y'all, but I was having a hard time with the open spot, like in this note section on the right page. And, I put a, things I'm thankful for box sticker, but then I also put this big quote, and I like both, but I don't like that they're just very, I don't know, cookie cutter just in the corners. So you'll see in a second, I'm going to start cutting that quote apart so that I can like stagger the words. And I really, really like that I chose to change it that way. It was messing me up. But that's like one of the big things that I really, really enjoy with the stickers. I like to cut things apart and manipulate them to be specific to what is going on in my own mind. Sometimes I have like this idea of how I want it to look, and when it doesn't, I'm like, okay, how can I change this to be exactly what I want? But that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.